Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over how to multiply binomials. You can multiply binomials by using the FOIL method, and FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, which just means that we'll start off by multiplying the first terms, then the outer terms, and then the inner terms, and the last terms. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by multiplying 4x plus 3 times 2x plus 6. Now, these are binomials because each of these polynomials have two terms. Alright, so we're going to start by multiplying the first terms, which will indicate 4x times 2x. This is going to give us 8x squared. Next, we'll multiply the outer terms. This is going to be 4x times 6. 4x times 6 is 24x. Then we'll multiply the inner terms. 3 times 2x is 6x. But usually you can combine these middle terms here. And then of course we have our last terms, which is 3 times 6, which is 18. We'll also go ahead and combine these inner terms. We have 24x plus 6x, which of course adds up to 30x. So combining like terms, this leaves us with 8x squared plus 30x plus 18. So we can just write this in standard form instead of having it written in terms of factors or of course in the two binomials. All right, this is the answer here. Now we can also have some special cases. We multiply 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3, where you have the same value of a and the same value of b. It's just different operations. So what we want to do here is the same process, the FOIL process. Okay, we'll multiply our first terms. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And then our outer terms, right, which of course give us 6x. Then we have our inner terms, and this is where it really happens here. We end up with negative 6x. And you can see when we combine those, they'll end up canceling, which will always happen when you multiply these special cases. And then we have negative 3 times positive 3. That'll give us negative 9. So when we combine these here, we end up with 4x squared. This gives us 0, and of course we're just left with minus 9. Okay, so this is what we end up with, 4x squared minus 9. Okay, we also have a way of squaring a binomial. Okay, and we can also simplify that. Whenever you see x plus 5 squared, this just means you have a binomial squared. Another kind of special case here, and we want to go ahead and expand that so that it's x plus 5 times another x plus 5. It just means you have your binomial squared. Okay, and we just do the FOIL process here again. So x times x would just give us x squared. Right? Then we do the outer terms, which will give us 5x. Then we multiply our inner terms, which will give us another 5x. And of course our last terms, which will just give us 25. Now, combining those like terms gives us 10x. So we get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, and this is how you can square a binomial. Okay, I have another video on adding and subtracting polynomials, and this is your video on multiplying binomials. If there's anything else you need to know about polynomials, feel free to drop a comment below. And make sure that you like my videos. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying these videos.